Do you know that the deity is not seen as being supreme within the Igbo cosmological and spiritual system? Our ancestors believe na alụsị kpakalia ike egosi ya osisi ejiri wee tụọ ya, which means that when a deity becomes unruly, we are going to show it in the wood that it was constructed from. Now, this tells you to the mentality or the relationship that Igbo ancestors have and shares with these deities. They do not believe that these deities are over human beings. Rather, they believe that the communication between human beings and this deity is connected and it is organic, which means that which means that both of us have to exist together and feed into one another for us to be productive. So when a deity becomes unruly, making demands that are not within human beings can provide, ancestors believe that such deity can be destroyed and removed from existence or replaced with another more sane and humane deity. So alụsị kpakalie ike egosi ya osisi ejiri wee tụọ ya.